Hi everyone, let's solve this problem palindrome linked list. So the problem statement says we are given a singly linked list and we need to determine if it is palindrome or not. For example, 1 2 is not a palindrome, 1 2 2 1 it's a palindrome. Let's try solving it in a single iteration, right, rather than having multiple iterations. So let's see a few examples how we'll approach this problem. So let's say if I have this odd list, right, if I can in a single iteration I can reach at this middle node, right, by having tortoise and here. So if I reach here and everything prior to my middle node while I was moving my slow pointer, when I reach here I have reversed, which is like it will become 1 2 will become 2 1, right? All I need to do is I need to compare 4 5 with 2 1 list, right? So if I'll just need to take this middle node to the next position and start comparing 2 1 with 4 5 list. So this is step. And in the even case, right, I have this 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? If I reach at the fourth guy, right, I have reversed this guy, everything prior to the middle node, I'll start comparing two lists, right? So this is the idea. The only trick is if I had this, right, odd guy, right, my list was odd size, I have to take my this guy, like my tortoise, to the next position to start comparing. In the case of even, I just compare from the same position. So let's see how we'll manage this odd case. How can we identify if my list is even or odd? So this was like, we have solved this problem, finding the middle elements. So what happens is we have this tortoise and here. The moment my hair pointer reaches the last position, in the odd case, I will be at the fourth position, right? Which means hair's next pointer was none, it means it's odd. In the case of even, if my hair reach at none position, it means it's an even list. So I don't have to change anything in my code here. I will keep my hair when it becomes null, my tortoise will remain at the same position. So let's jump to the code. I think things will make more sense from the code. So all I say is let's do the edge cases first. If zero nodes are there or only single node is there, right, I'll return true, that okay, it's already palindrome, right? Otherwise I will have my previous node, because I have to reverse, right? So this is my previous node and my tortoise and my hair pointer, they will point at head, right? So now I just have to find the middle node. I say okay, these, if I can take two steps, I will take two steps, which is here dot next, and my tortoise will become tortoise dot next, right? So this part I have done. And now I just only so what I do is my tortoise will be at the middle node. So if I was at the odd list, which is like, okay, if hair pointer exists, my tortoise should move further now, right? So tortoise will become tortoise dot next, right? So I have reached this guy. Now I just have to compare everything. But here's the deal, I have not reversed the linked list while I was reaching at the middle node. So let's do that. So what I do is, in order to reverse this, I say okay, I just have cached this tortoise next, and my tortoise dot next is pointing to what? Previous node, and my previous should become now tortoise, right? And my tortoise will become cache. So this is just I started reversing this list. So let's just clean up this code a bit, right? So this is it. So once this is done, I will have my runner 1. My runner 1 will start from the previous position, and my runner 2, it will start from tortoise position. So all I say is, while my runner 2 is true, right, and my runner 2 dot val, I'm just comparing now the two lists, right? Val is runner 1 dot val, I take runner 1 to runner 1 dot next, right, and runner 2 to runner 2 dot next. So once I'm done, all I need to compare is if my runner 2 is none. If it is none, I return true, otherwise it's false. Let's see guys if it works. Okay, let's try submitting it. Awesome, it does. See you guys in next video.